this video I'm going to talk about TPO profile structures you find in the crypto market and futures and stocks. A TPO is an abbreviation of time, price, opportunity. As you see, a lot of trading ranges in any market, and if you plot these trading ranges, you will see a profile structure similar to the alphabetical letter D. And this is why these profiles are called D profiles. D profiles represent the permanent auction process which takes place in a selected time period. Here I selected a trading range showing the Bitcoin future on a 1 hour chart in October. The red line of the D profile shows the price level where price spent the most of the time, creating value. As you see on this chart on the right hand side, prices very often tend to return to the value. And this is why this red dotted line is called the point of control. So after hitting the point of control again, Bitcoin started a strong up move, which brought it straight away to the 90k level. The next important form of a TPO profile structure is a double distribution profile, which consists of two clusters marked with the arrows. I've plotted here another trading range of a crypto coin, showing some strong activity in the lower part of this profile. When prices came back into this trading range, buyers defended their position in the splitting point of this profile. But it can also happen that price bounces back from the edge of the lower cluster. The next type of profile is called a P profile, which you can map when you see a coherent up move. This pattern had formed when prices moved up and then slowly formed a new base for a new part of the uptrend. In this graph you can see that price returned to the point of control again before starting another significant leg up, which I'm going to show you now. Extending the profile. In the upper part of this profile, marked with the arrow, you see a very thin profile zone, which is called a single print. The single print zones are areas which show strong aggression of buyers in this case. And on the right hand side you see buyers coming back to this area to defend their positions.